Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to drawing in mechanical 2D sketch in AutoCAD. We learn it. Now I am going to draw circle. Give the circle below. Give the circle below 45.5 radius. That means 91 diameter. UCS icon at origin setup. Now go to diameter circle. Now give the value 52. Okay. Now go to draw the line from circle point. Give the value 150. Okay. Now go to rotate and select this line and right button click and this point. Now give the degree 30. Okay. Now go to draw the circle line point. Give the value 19. 19. Okay. Sorry. Now give the value circle value 19. Now go to another circle draw here. This point draw and give the value 51. Okay. Now go to draw the 10 radius. Now touch this circle and this circle touch and give the radius value 176. Okay. Now go to again draw 10 radius circle. Select here and here. Now give the value 220. Okay. Now go to trim tools. Now cut here and here and here. Okay, select. Now cut this arc. Now go to cut this, delete this line. Now go to polar array. Now select this circle, this circle and this circle, this arc and this arc. Now select right button and touch circle and select this point. Now give the value 4. Okay, select. Okay. Now go to select and explode. Okay. Now go to trim tools. Now trim tools and select cut this arc and this arc and this arc and this arc and this arc. Sorry. Now I am going to cut this arc and this arc and again cut this arc and this arc. Now I am going to select enter. Now you can cut this and this as you wish. Now I am going to cut this and this and this and this. Okay, select. Now go to select fillet tools and select radius. Give the value 20 and select multiple. Select this arc and this arc, this arc and this arc, this arc and this arc, this arc and this arc. Select. Okay. Now I am going to select line and this point select and this point select. Okay. Now again here this point select and this point select. And now go to again line. Select this point and this line select. Now go to again draw line here. This point and this point select. Okay. Now I am going to here layer select other. Now load here select. Now select construction. Okay. Okay. Now go to select this line and this line, this line and this line select. Now go to here select for construction. Okay. Now you can give the gap distance. Now here select gap distance, load this select, ISO dash select. Okay and okay. This line and this line select. Now here select this. Okay. Now you can change this central line and this central line. Now just select here ISO dash. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to diameter. Now here select diameter. Node select. Now here select give the select diameter this circle and this circle. Now go to select unit, just select UN, decimal and precision 0 and select millimeter. Okay. Now select D, enter. D means dimension. Modify select. Now give the symbol arrow size. Arrow size 20. Now go to text and text height 20. Now give the text color red and box color white. Primary unit precision 0. Okay. Set current close. Now you just this dimension moving here. Now you can value size need small, modify symbol and arrow size 10 and text size 10. Okay, set current close. Okay. Now draw the another center line here. Now draw the center line. This point and vertically select. Okay. Now go to a node. Now here select angular. This line and this line select. Now degree 30. Now go to here again radius. Now check the radius. Now give the radius here. Okay. Now go to select parallel dimension, parallel align, parallel select. Now this point and this point select. Okay. Now go to again radius select for arc radius. Now give the radius below 220 and again check this radius 176. Okay. Make your job. Thank you all. Everyone share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.